I've always known that Ikoko is desperate. I never knew it's this much.
I overheard everything. I heard them saying it all. But Mom, listen to me. I promise you today, we will never let anyone come into this house to take what belongs to you or what belongs to us. Do you understand? Mama, listen. Nobody is tearing your home apart and nobody is taking what belongs to you.
Joby still doesn't believe that I'm innocent in all this.
Come on, Mom, you don't need to worry about Joby. I believe Diamond is doing a tremendous job to that aspect.
To what aspect?
Diamond has been talking to Joby, trying to convince him to change his mind. And I believe he will come to his senses soon.
Oh. Why is all this happening?
It's okay.
Why?
No, can you stop?
I've been faithful. I've known just your father all my life.
I said, we believe you.
He watched me grow to this extent.
Mom, just go now. It's okay.
Everything about me, even the breath I take every day is for him. How could this happen?
Mom, stop crying.
Yes, come in. Right. We have come to live forever. So come inside, come inside, come inside. Occupy until our enemies are submitted.
What's going on here?
What's all this? What does it look like is going on here?
What's going on about this?
You people keep asking useless questions. Don't you know that we have come here?
You have come here to stay as in what? What's this?
We have come to stay.
It's not for Joby! Richard! Joby!
Call your ancestors!
Joby, Richard!
Overgrown baby!
Joby, Richard!
Papa, thank you!
It's
Air condition.
Fine place.
Hey.
This is what we call creme de la creme. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down.
I'm
It is yes, that is we call it upper room. We call it upper basement.
Is that one? Hey!
So in my brother's house now, so many rooms. You choose here.
I choose that one.
You choose this one. It is called grill. It is called grill room. Chief, honestly, I think this whole thing should be over by now. Because your house is literally on fire.
Listen, Dr. Cletus. The last thing you will do is to think I don't know what I'm doing. You see, my younger brother, Ikoku, and his praise singers, they think they are smarter than me. Relax, I am still in control of everything.
Chief, I'm scared. I'm really, really scared. Honestly.
I am not scared. I am still trying to wrap my head around something I want to do. Yes.
Oh, really? You want to share?
No. Not now.
Chief, I do not know what you're thinking about. I don't see this going on well. I do not think I see this going on well. I must be frank with you.
And why is my plate not where I kept it? Why is it over here?
When you get to a place newly, you learn to ask questions. It's very important. Except you're mad.
Rachel, what nonsense are you talking about? Huh? This thing you just said now, what does it have to do with my plate not being where I kept it before going to get this water? Are you not the one going mad?
Don't call me Chief. Call me Father. Yes, Father.
You made this food?
Yes, Father.
I can perceive the aroma of the food. It's like the kind of food you make.
The house is getting overheated by the day. We can't wait for you to get back on your feet. The house needs you, everybody. We need you. We need you back.
Going on here? Huh?
Can you imagine this stupid girl?
Risha, what is it? Woman, I would suggest you teach your daughter, or rather, show her where to get senses, because I'm sure you don't have any to teach her. You are talking to like that?
Did you just refer to my mother as woman? Rachel, have you lost it? Have you gone bananas? Are you mad?
Don't spit into my face.
Oh, you are stupid.
Eh? Don't spit into my face.
You are stupid.
Richard, I am talking to you. Stop it. I am talking to you. Listen. Is it me you are talking to like that? Are you out of your senses? Are you mad? If I slap you...
Try it. No, try it now. Slap her. What is going on here? Why can't I have rest of mind?
Oh, excuse me, you don't have the bowels.
Look at this one.
To do this.
You must be very stupid.
Is it my...
Control your family. Control. If you must be in this house, control your family or I will throw you guys out of this house. Are you people mad?
Whose family?
Why can't I have rest of mind in my own house?
The first son of Njamanze is talking.
Oh,
look at them.
Pity.
Who's first son?
I won't warn you again. Put your dogs on a leash. Put your dogs on a leash. I'm warning you.
Look at this bastard. Huh?
What are you talking
Is your generation is bastard.
Oh, if you don't know that you are a bastard.
Your generation is a bastard.
Your entire family is a bastard.
You
are a bastard. You and your daughter, you are.
Put your dogs on a leash. I won't warn you again.
Family.
What the hell is going on here? What's going on here?
No, try
Put your dogs on a leash.
You are a bastard.
Can you imagine?
You want to sit on my mother? Can you imagine this idiot? She wanted to sit on my mother's seat and have her meal.
For what?
Go to a plate. You don't know you stand with one leg. You don't know you stand with one leg before you balance with the both legs.
You want to
This is nonsense in this house.
Rachel!
Where is the red SUV you just parked here?
I don't know. I'm surprised.
Godson! Godson!
No, I'm not sure Godson would do such a thing because I already told him I'm supposed to leave with the car. But then let me call him first. Maybe he just left.
told you. It's obviously him.
Better position for selfish interest. Because of money, you don't know yourself. Because of earthly things, you love away. Oh, one of them. Better position for selfish interest. I'm one of them, but you know.
You went out with my brother's car.
No. He went out with your grandfather's car.
Uncle, in as much as you're trying to exercise so much right and leverage, please do not include my car on this, okay? I personally shipped this car with my money. So next time, don't drive it out without my permission, please.
If you insult me further, I will make sure that your hand will not touch this key to this machine forever in your life.
Uncle, that is impossible. I said it is impossible. You have no right to withhold his car key. Give back his car key. What's all this nonsense?
Will you shut up your mouth? Did he buy it with his money or my husband's money?
Okay, let's assume that you all are daft. But did you hear the parts where I said that I personally shipped this car all the way from US with my hard-earned money? Can I have the car key?
Now let's go inside.
And if he doesn't give it to you?
You shut that thing.
Oh, you shut your mouth!
Shut your trap! Shut that car! Let's go inside! What is
Ikoku, the floor is yours. Go ahead, please.
Thank you, Deojuku. No, I don't want to sit down. I want to stand up so that my tongue will stand up. As I was saying, Deojuku, I did nothing wrong to this boy. Before I knew it, this boy jacked me up and ascended me to the point of Rubicon. As that was not enough, he suspended me there on air for hours. As I was frantically crying for help, an angel appeared to us. The angel begged this boy not to let me fall. This boy did not listen. He refused blatantly and allowed me to crash on the ground. Now my waist has been encumbered. All my joints and ligaments have been alienated.
This is an abomination. We have not seen a thing like this before. And so, Joby must face the consequence.
He will face nothing. Yes! Read my lips. He is not going to face any consequences. You've all seated here conniving and supporting each other against my family. Has any of you cared to ask why Joby did what he did?
That is not enough justifiable reason to do what he did.
Well, it is! It is! Take it or leave it. It is. Nonsense. Enough of this rubbish.
See, I'm not going to sit here to listen to your partial judgment, old man. You see, at first, I do not have a problem with my uncle taking his family out with my car. The problem I have is his approach. You needed to have heard the way he spoke to me rudely for asking for my car key.
Shut up! You have no reason to beat up your uncle. Number one. Two, it is high time I began to...
Wait. Did you really hear what I just said?
Nothing on earth will make you to beat up your uncle. That's what I said. Simply because you drove your car.
That's all you have to say.
Oh, hold on a minute. I'm not finished. As from today, you are forbidden from touching that car. That should be your punishment.
Uncle, that's my own car. Yes. Uncle, it's not possible.
I don't understand.
Uncle, you have no right to pass such judgment. That car belongs to my brother. He bought that car with his hard-earned money. In fact, he shipped that car from the US. He shipped that car directly to me. So he can't pass such judgment. It's not possible.
Did you hear what Godson just said? I did. And that's all you have to say.
A car that was this money.
Which money?
Not even move. Father, can you just shut up?
You are forbidden. You are forbidden. That is it. You can never. You want to die? You want to die? You are ready to die. That is final. You want to drive car? You want to drive? That is final. Don't worry. Final. What will chase you out? Will chase you out. Get out, Ashawo. Get out with your bastards. Look at that.
This.
Are you going bananas? Didn't you hear what our older brother Ojukwu said?
Give me my key.
This boy, I have seen that you are out of trouble. You are out for trouble. If you go close to that car, I will shoot you.
Give me my car.
I will shoot you!
Is it your car?
I will.
Is it your car?
Let it go, please.
Leave it. Leave that car.
Don't start what you cannot finish. Give me the key now.
I will not. I will not.
Give me the keys now.
No, don't give him the car key. Don't give him.
Okay, I like that.
You're
Yeah, you go with also.
Come and drive car! Also. Give me the car key. Give me the car key. Come and drive. Papa, I can leave but you should have shut his leg. You should have shut his leg. You shot. You don't know your elder. Don't shoot my husband, though. Don't shoot my husband. Hey! Chimo! Don't shoot my husband, though. Don't shoot him,
Uncle, drop that gun.
Hey!
Drop your gun.
Key. I will not give you this key.
I will not give him this car key now. Give him this car key.
The key! I will not give you this key!
Hey! Don't shoot him!
I will not.
Don't shoot him! Don't shoot my husband!
Not give you this key!
Joby, calm down. Joby, calm down. Nice, my love. Joby, calm down.
Joby, calm down. Joby, you go drop your gun. Drop that gun.
Drop your gun.
The key!
I have to give this car key.
Hey! Joby, stop!
The key! I will not give you this key! Joby!
Drop your gun.
I will not give you this key!
Your husband to give him the key. I shall tell him.
Father talked about this.
Joby, you're the son of my right hand. There are things I must tell you before I join my ancestors.
Father, you scare me when you speak in this manner. You promised you will never live in sickness. You said you would join your ancestors in good health. That was what you said to me, Father.
I will not die. But you must be there and strong to hold me when I fall. The family business and the people needed to be strong and astute, just like your father.
Father, you are strong. You are resilient. You are brave. You are full of wisdom. All my life I walk every day towards being like you.
My son, you will not be like me. You will be your own king. You will reign in this great empire which I have built all my life. But watch out for the insider. His heart is evil.
Father, the more I pay attention, the more confused I get. What do you mean by holding you when you fall? And then, who is the insider? About this.
What did he say?
They told me to be aware of the insider.
Baby, the truth is, I'm beginning to get very uncomfortable about this whole thing. What if he had shot you or you shot him? By the way, how did you even get hold of a gun? How did you get hold of a gun?
Babe, just take a chill pill.
I should take a chill pill? I should relax? Tell me, how am I supposed to relax? How?
Babe, relax.
My husband, did you say relax? No! This is not the time to relax. In fact, I like the way you are doing now. I want to commend you now that you are doing very well. You are now proving to be the Ikoku that I married. I like the way you are unleashing the beast in you. You are telling them that you are that lion of a husband that I got married to. Huh? You see, with this type of ginger, whenever your brother gets better and wants to address this matter, you will be enough threat to whatever bad judgment he may want to pass. Believe it.
You know, I'm not comfortable, with that my unethical spectacular performance over there. If my brother were to be in his best state of health, he would not entertain this sort of, destructive chaos in his house.
This is
my brother is a man of peace.
Listen. This is exactly the problem I always have with you. Whenever people start praising you for the good things you have done,
you will just feel you are not doing the right thing. And it's not good. It's not good at all. Stop it. Stop it. This is not the time to do that. Biko.
Alice, I am not cut out for all this. Bon voyage.
Where are you going? Eh?
Best of humanitarian apology.
Nai, what is all this? Eh? Why do you want to waste this opportunity now? Look at it. Eh? The time we all have been waiting for is here now. Look at what you're doing. Hey! This man, eh?
I thought you are not coming again.
Don't worry, my dear. My husband delayed me. I must really thank you for the way you played your card. Honestly, you are very good. Yes, I must commend you in that. But I was so scared the 2 times you came to Chief's house.
Scared?
Yes.
Why were you scared?
I was so scared though, honestly. But I was watching you. You are really good in what you do. Honestly, you know what you're doing. Yes.
Don't mention this.
I brought your balance.
I was only doing what I know how to do best. Just doing my job. How much is it?
It's 250,000 naira.
250,000. Why? This is not our agreement.
What was our agreement?
Our agreement was 1 million naira. You gave me 500,000 naira before the job was done. And now my balance is supposed to
be what? Chikelue, you are an ingrate. So you expected me to raise 1 million naira for you. Have you ever earned 250,000 naira in a whole year? You want to come and earn 1 million naira in just 2 weeks. Is that not robbery?
Call it whatever you like, Alice. I need my balance the way we discussed it. Else!
Else what? Shut up. I was only joking.
I don't like that type of joke, Alice. I'm sensitive to my money.
Don't worry. You see, my husband took part of the money. In fact, that was the reason I came late. Eh? He took part of the money. But don't worry, I will make some withdrawal tomorrow and get you your balance, okay?
That's more like it. I think I'll be going now. You said tomorrow.
I give you my word.
Don't give me your word, Alice. I want my money.
Don't worry yourself. Your money must get to you.
Okay. I'll be going.
It's all right.
All right.
Patiently for our brother's head to get well. Unfortunately, instead of his health improving, it's deteriorating. And on this basis, as the oldest member of this family, and in German's eldest brother, I have decided.
Uncle, you cannot.
Shut up and listen to the elder speak. Why are you always taking delight in insubordination and rebellion when an elder talks? Children like you doesn't live long.
God forbid. My brother will live long. How can one's uncle be praying for him to die young?
The only thing he knows how to do is to speak English. When others were making money, he didn't hustle to make the money.
Don't mind them.
Anyway,
they will line
whatever
up
that is, okay? I must remind us what Father said. And I don't think that has changed.
I respect what my brother said. We are going to do exactly what he said. In fact, that's why I called this meeting.
If I might ask, what is the meaning of this meeting? What is it supposed to be?
If I answer that question, Gossip.
Yes, Uncle.
You are the only one that is allowed by Njemanze to see him. Did he tell you anything of recent?
I don't understand. What sort of question is that?
Stop asking my brother's question with question. Answer this question.
My friend, answer my question.
My father did not tell me anything.
Good. I've decided that Chikelue will be running a DNA test with all of you, 3 of you. And if the DNA proves that you are his, then that will put a pay stop to all this argument.
But neither I nor any of my siblings will agree to that nonsense. As far as I'm concerned, that man was paid to do what he did. There's no atom of similitude. Exactly. And you're telling me that he's my father. Are we daft? Do you think we are daft? Are we fools?
By. Because I don't look like that man.
And I'm suspecting you. You see, I'm suspecting you. Want to bring that lunatic to come and claim to be whose father?
You paid someone to come and act.
This guy is...
Whether you like it or not, this DNA test must be carried out, and this will settle it finally. Ikoku,
active in service.
You will get to inform this family doctor of what the latest development is. He has to be present when this DNA test is being conducted. I don't want anybody to say it is being manipulated or forged or whatever.
I will do as you have just instructed. I'll do that.
This meeting is over.
Yeah?
Doctor, what did my father say?
My son, the test will go on.
The test will go on?
But you don't have any reason to worry. I am sure that must be another scheme by Ikoku and his cohorts. Trust me, Dr. Clayton here will handle it.
But father, who is that man?
The one who claims to be your father.
Exactly.
Like I said, do not worry yourself. No matter what happens, you must all remain my children, just like all these years.
But father, you know, with all these things that are going... I know, Dad, but...
Your father needs to rest himself.
What are we fighting for? What are we dragging for? Give me kind Johnny. Give me kind Sonny Noah. What are we fighting for? What are we dragging for? Give me kind Johnny.
Okay, what's keeping us? Why is the man not here? Huh? I thought we sent on a misery since morning.
Maybe something beyond his control happened.
Why have you been laughing? Do you think this matter is funny?
And do you think it's your business to ask me why I'm laughing?
Let me hear from you. I will deal with you.
Please, let's be guided, please.
Ikoku, where is he?
He is not here.
What do you mean that he's not here?
Chikelo is dead.
What? Hey! The man we all have been waiting for so that the DNA test can be run. And you stand there telling us that he's dead. What is that supposed to be? What do you mean by that?
Dojuku.
Yes.
Chikelo's dead body was found in the bush. According to this story, he was found in the bush 2 to 3 days after his death.
Hey!
What do we do? So we keep waiting and cheating.
Hey!
close. We're almost close to the plan. Eh? We're close, yes. Who could do this? Eh? Hi! Chikelu, who did this?
Chikelu, how could he just die like that? Eh? Just when I thought that those rascals would be chased out of this house.
Nai,
I suspect that someone from this house is responsible for Chikelu's death. Yes.
You do suspect anyone?
Nai, calm down. Cool down your temper. I didn't say anything.
You know something. Most definitely, you know something.
Know what? Can't you read the handwriting on the wall? It is obvious.
Well, I have lost my ophthalmological ability to read. So, tell me, what are you reading on the wall?
Joby. Joby is usually so relaxed about all this. He kept laughing at us. Eh? Why are you so dumb?
Excuse me, you think he did it?
I don't think he did it. I know he did it. Yes. Huh? Yes. There is only one person we may need here. And he's going to be an instrument, a very good instrument to us, Dr. Cletus.
What about Dr. Cletus?
Look at what you're asking me.
Why did you not fucking tell me that? You know, if this had come from someone else, I swear to God, what I'm going to do to that person, he will not like it.
You are talking absolute badness. Wait, because you think you killed Chikelu, that nobody will understand what you have gone in dealing with your antics. Look, I am going to demystify the mystery behind Chikelu's death. And by the time I am through with my artillery, I will do it with nothing than to deal with you squarely.
You're a mad girl.
Excuse me?
Always fast and talking jargon. Are you sure you're normal? You're educated, but sometimes your reasoning depicts nothing short from someone from the motor park. I will not warn you again. This is the last time. Get out of here.
Debbie, you have done the most abominable thing on earth. But tell those the revolutionary forces that at the end we shall meet in Philippines. Hey! Johnny have done the most abominable thing on earth. Johnny missed me. He whacked me. He left me. Oh.
Just dare me again. Just dare me again.
I should dare you again.
Because of money, you don't know yourself. Because of earthly things, you love away.
Coco, I just left the house a few minutes ago.
Yes, you just left the house a few minutes ago. But something I had wanted to say was not meant for all ears. You know how it is.
Coco, I'm not allowing you to sit on that seat because of you, but because of the respect I have for Chief.
take back that respect.
What is that supposed to mean?
Give me one reason, and I'll throw you out of my office.
Oh, dare throw me out of this office? This office I built with my money and equipment and put you here? Try it, and I'll close down this office and make you lose your license and the respect that the chief has for you. Just try it! Are you going out of your mind?
The same old threat, huh?
Oh, well, I agree. The same old threat. But that same old threat will make you useless for the rest of your life.
Because what do you want?
Now you're talking, Dr. Cletus. Well, I have not only told you what I want, but what we want. Kill Chief. That's all.
This is wickedness. I cannot do that.
Dr. Cletus, it is ours to tell you whether it is wickedness or not, because he is our brother. Besides, Chief's condition is worse than a dead man. So why are you trying to defend a dead man? Why?
For your information, Chief left us with a clear instruction. And even if everyone else turns a blind eye, I am obligated to keep it to the very end.
Then be ready to dance to the insubordination.
Hey, babe. What is it? You don't look happy. Talk to me.
State of father's health is really making me worried sick. And then, what's the use?
And then what? You can talk to me, okay?
Things are getting worse. What is really the problem?
Baby, the doctor said he will be fine, okay? Let's just trust the process.
That is not the only problem.
So, what else?
I have lived all my life loving and calling him daddy. Then all of a sudden everything proves otherwise.
You are your father's son, and so are your siblings. I think I found something. I figured out the solution to this problem.
You found what?
We have to speak with the doctor first.
Okay, fine. Let's do that right away. Sure. Let's go.
This time,
I understand you're locked up. I want to do anything to save the situation. But the truth is, this is impossible. Chimera, hell no.
Wait, what is really going on? You guys are leaving me out of the conversation. What is chimera?
Don't worry, DB.
What do you mean it's not for me? I don't get it. My family is in pandemonium and this looks like the reason for it, and you're telling me not to be worried.
DB, chimera is nothing to get worried about. Little to talk about. It's just a fragment of some medical nonsense.
Dr. Clayton, with all due respect, can you tell me what is chimera? What is chimera?
Answer the question, doctor. Is it a chimera or chimera?
It's chimera. Well, chimera is an imbalanced medical condition. It is very, very rare. In fact, it's impossible.
Dr. Cletus, it is rare, yes, but not impossible.
Well, Ms. Diamond, what do you know about medical conditions?
Dr. Cletus.
Yes.
I will tell you all that you need to know about chimera and how it can affect the DNA. Because you obviously are so clueless about it.
Is that what you think?
For starters, it might interest you to know that I am an American well-trained heart surgeon and a specially trained geneticist. To my uncles and my husband-to-be, permit me to tell you all that you need to know about chimera and how it can affect the DNA, of course.
Excuse me. Are you trying to say that my older brother, Njamaze, is a tetrachamic human being? Well, I hope this is not a hanky-panky game between you and Diobi, because if it is,
Make sure. Can you keep quiet there? What?
Can you just calm down?
It's a case study.
Stop making baseless attacks.
Excuse me, I will not have you insult me. If you do that again, I'm going to deck you. What's wrong with you? If I deck you, you remember the day you were born. No, I don't like the way this little girl is talking to me.
Calm down first.
You go sit down.
D.O.B., you are not the one chairing this occasion or this meeting. Please, my dear, continue.
The situation on ground can be referred to as a medical condition known as chimera twin. You can also call it chimerism. Chimeras are animals or humans that contains the cell of two or more individuals. Their bodies contains two different sets of DNA. Chimera twin. Chimera twin occurs when a set of twin is being conceived and the embryo dies in the womb. That's one of the embryo. Now, the surviving fetus absorbs some of the cells of its deceased twin. This gives the surviving fetus two different sets of cells, its own and that of its deceased twin.
Excuse me, who else understands this quadratic expression and incoherent inquisions? Because I don't understand what this young girl has succeeded in saying. It's absolutely nonsense. No, I don't understand. Sit down. What is
Calm now. My friend, shut up there. Illiterate. You think it's about...
The simplest explanation to this matter is that Chief might be a chimera twin. And if that is the case, then...
And then what? Exactly what? What next? What stupid thing are you going to say next? You think I don't know? I know that this fabricated story is all to cover Mirabel's infidelity to my brother.
Uncle Ikoku, I will not have you insult my mother. Can somebody just shut this man up?
You can go as long as confusing everybody. I am not to be confused. I have my academic achievements. I am a man of high record. I have my academic pyramid. I can convince my brothers because of their poor background of education and academy.
Why are you shouting?
Not for one thing, I would have been a professor. Sit down. I'm sorry.
Uncle Ikoku.
Oh God.
These are not stories, not fabricated stories or deception. I mean, it can be medically proven.
Very good. This is all I want to hear. Since it can be medically proven, then what are we waiting for?
Of course we don't have a problem, but I doubt if we can be able to run this test in Nigeria because I don't think Nigeria has the medical sophistication and equipment to carry this test.
Are you trying to tell us that it cannot be done in Nigeria?
I doubt.
Then what do we do?
I know few very good hospitals in America where we can run this test. So I would suggest Dr. Cletus and one other member of the family go.
I volunteer because I want to see to the end of this incoherent and incompetent analysis. This is totally a very bombastic analysis, and I cannot follow it to that halfway. I must follow these people to America if it is Switzerland.
What I have to say is, please sit down. You're making noise here. Sit.
You are sitting here and you watch this little boy.
Sit down. You're making noise here.
Public
It's not like speaking incoherent. You don't know anything.
It's alright.
Alright, to add up to what my girl just said. Babe, you made your points, okay? But I have just little thing to chip in, okay? It's about Dr. Cletus going with you people to US. I think that's not really a good idea because Dad is not feeling fine. So he needs someone to at least stay with him and examine him time to time. Okay, so I suggest you and the other member of the family, anyone that wants to go can go with you, but not this man. This madman is not going anywhere. You don't have to go anywhere with them.
Well, I think DOB has a point there. And I quite think so. And so in that case, I'll have to join the Goku one day.
Yes. Very well. That is well. I agree.
You are reckless. You're not drunk in the mood. You are the lady. You are reckless. You're not drunk in the mood. You are the lady. You are reckless. You're not drunk in the mood. You are the lady. You are reckless. You're not drunk in the mood. Onyanyuku emptiness bugogi. Wicked and greedy people everywhere. Self-centered people everywhere. They love luxurious life without suffering. They love lavishing things without thinking. Famaro manja bobo, manja. Obi dikwa fanja, obi fere fanansu. They can do you anything. Me pull obstacle in yellow fire. You are the lady. You are reckless. Mama about you then you're not drunk in the mood. You are the lady. You are reckless.
I feel so laden. The lot on me wears me down. It is heavier than I can bear.
It cannot be compared to that which you have brought upon people. So shall you carry it till you get to your destination.
My strength may fail me. I may not get to my destination.
You don't deserve anything less. I have another news for you. When you get to your destination, the rest that you seek, you cannot get. You will continue reaping that which you have sown in the life of people. Now be going before I make this heavier for you.
Mom, Dr. Cletus said that father is dead.
Wait, who is dead? No, what did you say?
He said he's coming to address us.
Address what? What happened?
I need to see my husband.
Excuse me. I don't know what he's talking about. What? I don't know what he's talking about.
Father is dead.
What kind of... Excuse me.
Dr. Cletus,